super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today my presentation, my friend, is about affiliate marketing for beginners, explained in simple and straightforward language, right? We're going to talk about affiliate marketing in the Queen's language so that it is simple for anyone who wants to do affiliate marketing and that they may understand what goes on. Okay, my channel is all about making money on the internet and leveraging the power of the internet to make money. And I'm sure you are looking for ways and means of making money and to make a side income. All right, so you are the correct person, my friend. You're watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can know it each time and every time I drop a video. Okay, you might be looking for a mentor, someone who can help you to build a full-time income on the internet, right? Someone who can help you to build a business that goes to work for you 24/7, whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your friends, with your family. Okay, make sure to check my #1 recommendation in the description below. And then we take it from there. I'm going to give you a simple and straightforward explanation of what affiliate marketing is if you want to start affiliate marketing business. Okay, the first question is, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just selling other people's products or services. Okay, right? You know someone who has a product and you know someone who wants that product or that service. Then you link the two and then you charge for your service. You charge for bringing these two together, right? That's affiliate marketing, okay? Uber knows someone who is traveling and it also knows someone who has a vehicle to carry that person. So what it does is it charges for its service of linking the driver and then the traveler, okay? And Airbnb knows someone who is traveling on a vacation or something like that, right? And it also knows someone who can provide accommodation in the direction of the traveler. So it links the two and it charges for its service. That's affiliate marketing. Okay, so how does it work? You get what is called an affiliate link. And this affiliate link is found when you join an affiliate network. Right. Most of the companies now, they have affiliate programs in place. Apple has got affiliate programs in place. You know Amazon. Amazon is a household name right now. Amazon has got an affiliate program in place. Yes, and it's called Amazon Associates, right? Where you can sell products, physical products. Yes, then you get paid. We have quite a few of these networks, right? Some of them, they deal with digital products only. We've got one of the biggest is called ClickBank. It has been around for over 20 years now, right? And it specializes in digital products, right? So you join it for free and then you get your own affiliate link. An affiliate link is a link that identifies you. This affiliate link is coded to you, all right? So this is, now if you've got a product which is selling, say, for $100 and your commission is, say, 70%, right? So the computer of the affiliate network will calculate straight away your commission and it will give you your $70 commission. Of course, they will take their own their fees a little bit, but it's close to $70, right? So this is how it works. Right now, how do you start? You start in an area where you are passionate about. Say you are passionate about weight loss, right? You can go to these networks now and you look for products that deal with weight loss. And you know that when you are within your passion, you are going to be talking with passion. You're going to present your product with passion, right? If you are to do a video, you're going to be presenting your video with passion, because that's what you are. That's what you are passionate about, right? So there are networks like ClickBank. ClickBank has got products on weight loss, right? So you can take a product from there, and then there is a way where you can get your own affiliate link, and then you create a video and you put it on YouTube, or you can take that link and put it on a blog or on a forum somewhere, right? All this other training, you know, I'm just scratching on the surface right now so that I don't scare you, okay? If you're beginning, right? So you, as people now click your link in on a forum or in a blog or on YouTube or on Facebook or on Pinterest or on Instagram, right? Right? They will be taken to the website where the product is. And if when they buy through your link, you are going to make an affiliate commission, okay, right? So all you need to do is to just send traffic to the website through your link and you get your commission, all right? So what are the advantages of affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, compared to the brick and mortar business like a McDonald's franchise or a Jack in the Box or Starbucks or KFC or something like that. To get a McDonald's franchise, my friend, you are talking of millions of dollars, right? But with affiliate marketing, it has extremely low startup costs. You can start with zero upfront investment. What you need to do is to do something, to know what to do, which I can show you. I'll show you. If you check on my videos, I talk quite a lot about affiliate marketing. Just refer to the other videos which I have made on my channel, and you see step by step how you can start with zero input, with $0 input, okay? You don't need to create your own product. That is an expensive route. You do it later, maybe, if you want. It's not necessary. It might not be necessary, my friend. It might not be necessary. You can make millions by just selling other people's products, okay? You don't need to customer service anyone. You don't need to warehouse anything or to ship anything from anywhere, right? You can tap into solid and reliable business models, all right? You create passive and unlimited revenue through affiliate marketing, all right? And you also create multiple streams of income, right? You've got thousands of products to choose from. On my channel, I've got quite a number of videos where I show you how to choose a product from thousands of them, right? The criterion of choosing a product, right? So these are some of the networks which I was talking about, my friend. This is just a few of them, right? So these affiliate networks, they've got what are called marketplaces, right? So from the marketplace, you find categories of products or niches, right? We've got ClickBank, JVZoo, we've got Amazon Associates, we've got Warrior Plus, ShareSell, CJ Affiliates, we've got private and direct. These ones, usually you can get them as a referral, right? You won't find them on ClickBank, right? So anyway, right? So you get your affiliate link from ClickBank, from JVZoo, right? From JVZoo, all these, you just get your affiliate link that identifies you. In other words, you create an affiliate account. Now you've taken your product from those affiliate networks. You need to drive traffic. You need to get some customers for the products. You remember, affiliate marketing is all about selling other people's products, right? So you need to send some people who can buy the product to the website. You need to send traffic to the website of the product, right? So you can use free methods, or you can use paid methods, or you can combine the two. So what are some of the free traffic methods that you can use? You can use YouTube. All you need to do is, once you have your product, you make a review video on the product, and then you post it, you upload it on YouTube, and then it starts to float on YouTube. As people be searching for your product, say weight loss or something like that, people will be looking for your product or means of losing weight or means of burning belly fat, right? They go on YouTube, they type in there, and then they will find your video on YouTube. And then now they click the link as you prompt them, because as you do your video, right, you'll be explaining and say, okay, if you want more information about this product, click the link in the description below. All right. So there is another site which is called Quora. Quora.com is a website. People get there to ask questions or to answer questions. So now you go there and you can increase the traffic to your link by going there to answer some questions. You go to Quora.com and you find a category of the questions that you want to answer, right? If it is about weight loss, yes, you go to weight loss. If it is affiliate marketing, you go to affiliate marketing there on Quora, right? It's quite a huge, quite a sizable website, right? A lot of traffic goes to Quora, all right? So people go there, they ask questions, and they go there to answer questions. So when you now have your YouTube link, YouTube video, what you do is you go and answer some questions there. As you answer, you just say, you refer them and say, you can get more information on the video that I made right here. So you share your link, your YouTube link in your answer, all right? Then you can also use Facebook. You go to Facebook and then you look for groups, the groups that are dealing with your product or with your passion, right? In your niche, the groups in your niche, in your category, right? In the category of the product that you're pushing, all right? So you join the groups and then you get into the discussion, get involved in the discussions right there. And then, right, and as people see you answering and being busy with interacting with others, right, you start to have some respect, and people start to look for more information about you, and they can go to your YouTube to look to dig you out. They can still also find your profile on Facebook, right? Since you are already posting some things on Facebook, right? They'll follow you, right? You can develop some private relationships with some of them whom you can take, and then you show them your link. You share them your link, your product, right? So this is not an overnight thing kind of business. You are sowing some seeds, and then the seeds are going to germinate, and you're going to cultivate, you're going to nurture the seeds, and it's going to grow. And in due time, you're going to have your harvest. Okay, so you can go to Instagram. Instagram, the same thing, right? You do your posts, and then which is according to your niche, according to the category of product that you are marketing, right? You see some other example right there, like if you type in on Instagram, hashtag affiliate marketing, hashtag make money from home, hashtag make money online, something like that, you see a ton of other Instagram posts which are in those categories, right? So all you need to do now is to get involved. Pinterest, you type in on Pinterest and your niche, you look for your category. You search on Pinterest, right? I've got some other training. I've got some other video training on Pinterest, on Instagram, on all the methods which we talked about right here. And you can get more information on my videos on my channel. Right. So this is not the only way you can have free traffic, right? You can go to blogs, you can go to forums, you can go to newspapers, right? You can, there is a lot, an endless way you can get free traffic, hey, my friend, okay? You can get a ton of other ways of sending people to your link. All right, so let's quickly have a look at some of the paid ads, right? There is what is called solo ads. You might have heard that the money is in the email list. So there are some solo vendors, so which you can find on Facebook. If you type in solo vendors, right, you'll find them there. On Google, on YouTube, they are everywhere. But I wouldn't advise you to go in this direction yet if you are not trained properly, okay? Because you need to identify certain things before you pay your money, okay? Right, you can do Facebook ads, you can do Google ads, you can do Bing ads, you can do YouTube ads, right? Those are all paid ways of driving traffic. There is what is called also influencer marketing. You just take advantage of the influence of the influencer. You tell the influencer to influence his followers to buy from your link or to provide some leads to your link. Okay, right. So these are, as you can see, these are detailed kind of trainings which you need more information on. So like I said, this is plain and straightforward English, which I'm just scratching on the surface and giving you the broad outline of what affiliate marketing is all about. Okay, so if you found value in this video, my friend, let me know in the comments. Click the subscribe button and that notification bell so that we can see each other next time.